There have been some great advancements in spray paint recently, but the one problem I've not solved is how to keep the tip from clogging with paint after you've used it. Now the first rule is whenever you use spray paint, at the end of the project, turn it upside down and spray it until it comes out clear. Just like that. That's all it takes, just a couple of seconds. That one tip alone will keep paint from clogging up the tip of the spray can. Then the other thing is take it off and soak it in mineral spirits. That'll soften any remaining paint that's stuck in there. Now, sometimes that's not enough and you need to clean the tip. Now there's a hole at the bottom and at the top where the paint comes out, and the only wire I've found that can fit in that hole is from a twist tie. This is from a loaf of bread. Just pull off the paper or the plastic to expose the wire, and that'll fit right in that little hole. As small as that hole is, this is the only wire I've found. Let me see, right there. It fits right in there. You can use that to clear out what's left of the paint, and that the paint's usually soft, so it comes out pretty easily. And then you can just put it back on the spray can and finish spraying the paint. Now, when you're done and you've emptied the can, before tossing out the can, take the tip off and save it and soak it, and you can use it on another can of paint.